some of them then talk, say, then they house. Some, then they work. The ones who they house, so they bring money come. Then they wait for their husbands to carry money come. And some they will be say, then save get money when they take support the family. Yes, so and then for our own here today, they call them housewife and work wife. As how now this wonderful 10 evening now still was Zobia TV now on top, and this one now Bubbles.
Yeah. More than to make una hand say reach me now.
Now we say you short.
No be say I short, my hand not too long.
Yes, the matter we carry on giving out today, they very, very delicate. When I know say two sets of women now will they marry when man marry, it go decide same wife go to house or they work. We call them housewife, work wife. But for me, one simple illustration now they always given her every time. When I know I see the house, when I remember that my uncles them G so I've been given at that time, Uncle Fred and Uncle Timmy.
Your uncle they said they're too full of G.
Ugo, they get life story.
Your uncle must do one thing.
But you suppose don't say my family we large. So I get them plenty. Anyhow like that.
Your own better say than your uncle. Me personally, me get G's.
Now you know Shakara gets story. And I know say basically even for this topic now where you don't drop so Shakara go get enough story.
Now my own just did very, very simple. You know say Uncle Timmy, his wife they work. Okay. Uncle Fredo, wife not they work. Uncle Fredo they enjoy food. Uncle Timmy know they enjoy food.
Wait, which kind of food do you talk about now? Because when you talk about
normal food, not kind of past that level.
Normal food.
Okay. Maybe if we need to add normal food because we get food
yes, you need to let people know. You understand?
wait. Not kind of go that level.
No,
that level today.
You know, Ugo, because when you talk about housewife and office wife, and you mention food, now food not be that middle factor where. You understand where they cause the problem?
Lead that thing. Food where they talk about na normal food.
Normal food.
Tell us.
Now the reason why I talk say Uncle Fredo they enjoy food now because say his wife they house 24/7. Then Uncle Timmy now say his wife they work. No be say Uncle Timmy know they enjoy food though, but Uncle Timmy now want to say. You know, your wife go come back for night, she go tired, she no go feed all those kind of things, and all that. You go just day break it. The guy go just, if you no drinking, if you no chopping domi, you go drink Golden more, cornflakes. But Fredo, regular from office, hello, Nyamaka, inokwana yard. Because to share me the thing right now, got some prepare me that akbo with office salad and straight. The babe don't go sharp. She don't read the food.
That one no be housewife now. That one a house help.
That one
a house help now.
No, man, no
why
get
you
problem
go
with you. No call the house help because me, I prefer housewife. You know why?
Why you want smile?
No, you know why I want smile? You know what they sweet you? No, see, what they sweet you must make you smile. Me, I know they hide my own. Understand? I don't know of you. I don't know what you like.
No, forget about own. You.
Me, I like housewife because I don't want to cheat on my wife.
Hey!
You know why?
Shakara, wait.
Make I finish. Make I give you my point. You know, say this tea with the whole person. You know they give person notice. If you owe you around 12 afternoon, but that day office. So me in my office, they near house, they come house.
Wait. So your reason why you like housewife.
They say I want the
for emergency.
I want the not for emergency. I want the faithful.
You want the faithful.
So faithfulness. So that make you just like housewife.
So you no go ever think of traveling.
No, if you dey travel, you know say you dey travel emergency.
Now this your smile where they see for one corner. I know say you want like
but this matter where they talk now for future or no before now.
And for now because I go marry anytime soon. So for now.
You wait when?
See now me and I want to interrogate now. But I'll marry anytime soon.
Okay, so no, but Shakara don't. So now you talking about a housewife.
Now housewife I like.
Because of faithfulness.
Faithfulness.
And this faithfulness now on your part, not be on your wife's part.
No, we should wait the house. You go, they faithful. Now we won't find the man go.
So you think say every housewife they faithful?
Yes, every housewife must be faithful.
Now like, come guys, forget. I see. You know, say me as I do, I be storyteller, and I sabi many things where they happen. See, he get one man when I go school. I did 300 level that period. The man just in front of my house like this. Now housewife he marry you, as the woman they did house 24/7. But if the man don't take off, another one they come in.
Who be the another one?
Dissect the wife well. Nah, I try let you know, say housewife said they didn't do anyhow.
That means the man, you know they doing work well. You get how you gonna do your work well. Your wife must be faithful. Because me, I trust myself. You understand? You know, say it just be like motor where you get motor. You don't already service the motor keep. Know how we be say another person go come say you won't come service the same motor where you don't service. Everything don't do okay.
What do you mean?
Not just you understand.
So you mean say every motor? So wait. So when I don't even understand you. So when the service motor keep.
You won't come service the same motor. Maybe say a new engine oil inside, everything is okay.
So
what are you servicing? It depending on the mechanic where they charge. If you know the service and well, another person go come.
Now you don't talk the matter. You know, say some mechanics they will say when they handle motor, may we even go into this matter what they talk now, onto housewife matter. Practically, when you be husband, when you not service well, waiting be the but even so possibility they say when you not service well, another one go come. But some people see that when you service well, self you go need extra servicing.
And I'm be saying a motor don't spoil.
What I try talk now be say, so housewife now them be the ones where they service well. Office wife no they service well.
How you want to get time for office wife to service well?
Now what do now? So now all office wife now ain't know they come back house.
All they come back.
All they come back. Now,
office wife no they fit come in the afternoon, even lunch hour come, even go in husband office self, go service am.
Shoma. Office wife. Me I dey talk my own point. Office wife, when she dey office, you know say oga dey, colleague dey, you know, colleague go come, madam, hey, you fight today, or this is what you wear today. I don't want to hear that.
So okay, your wahala na insecurity. You don't bring her.
No use English.
No use English. They spoil the
insecurity.
No, what thing they talk now? Because from what I don't hear now, and maybe if we can't go outside to hear what people for street they talk, I won't go believe say now because of insecurity. Now it go make some people say make their wives stay for house.
No.
Nobody be factor.
For me, I believe say a lot of people, aside insecurity, some they talk about maybe some go talk some things about maybe to help family, maybe why they support family, all those kind of matter. Actually, you understand, woman where they work. But our own now say, may we even enter streets. Can't hear what people want to talk about the whole matter because this matter not be only us go given our own side of our own view for them. We want enter street. This place now what they call Agogo for street. Make we hear what people get to talk about this whole matter. When they come back, we cannot go anywhere. Now see Bubbles here on top of Wazobia TV.
Boy, now for you, that's housewife or office wife I prefer.
Well, for me, I prefer housewife.
Housewife is dull, it's always dull. All she just cares for the kids and wait till I get down with money. They squander my money. You know, it's not like that. It doesn't work like that in Nigeria anymore.
She would have the time to, you know, attend to the home activities, have time for the kids.
But it wouldn't be an office that will be closing very late in the night, especially considering the environment where we're staying.
I prefer housewife.
I prefer office wife, man.
Housewife or office wife? I prefer office wife.
A housewife can take care of your children, prepare a house well. Anytime we go or come back, you relax and enjoy your bath.
The housewife is always there expecting from, you know, just, oh God, give me, nothing. No, I prefer the office wife.
I think office wife is better. I want my wife to work.
I work out, come out. When I go office, I go business or something like that. Madam can go office and go business or something like that. Who go take care of children?
If the woman a full-time housewife, guy bono, na there wahala dey.
Me, I prefer housewife in as much I get the bar to keep her at home.
I prefer housewife because housewife will take care of my things for house. That is, you go take my baby and go school, come back, cook down for me.
Women also want to do as much as men can do. So, and I don't think it is good to, you know, to keep the women only in the kitchen, you know.
I prefer housewife because of the children, you know. You know the situation of Lagos now. At times when they come out, hold up, everybody will come home late.
Maybe any office that will close like say 4 p.m.
I want her to work, to support the family, you know.
Yeah, if not housewife, you know, it's too sweet too. Because you know it makes sense if she be housewife.
Office wife now, no, if you do those things, real housewife go do. Office wife go close like 8 or 9. She will get tired to do some things. You understand? That's why I prefer housewife.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. When I hear that matter, when I hear a lot of things that people talk.
Me, I see plenty of shakara people for that.
You know what? Now make her happy. As I talk that, I come like saying only me. Now he also say woman go tired and you go feel do some other things. So, but if you don't the house, you the rest since you are energy there.
Not be waiting. Now where shakara come they talk like that because you don't hear this thing where people talk for street. Your own insecurity. I agree with people where they for street say okay, maybe because of say you the economy they very bad. And for me, now the only reason we make many men where I know rooted Nigerians, they don't want their wives.
Their house. But you know, say so many people even give points for that place, and they talk say because of house, because of children, because of house chores and everything. Now, fact of all, me basically, for me, I think say people opinion, yes, it matter. Seriously, it really matter. But the thing I say, when you look yourself as man, maybe reason why you won't get office wife now because say your pocket or something. But you know, somebody talk and they say if they wealthy enough to keep woman for house, he go.
Now be the point. Wait, you know the thing be saying that the country where they live in, I go still push them back to our government. If they say everything balance well for this country, most people want to make their wife their house. But you know, say you go pay picking school fees, you go do this one. So you need support. You understand?
And why they go make them their house?
Make them their house. So that she for take care of the children and then take care of you.
But Shakara, you
any happy family, a happy family and a family where they stay together.
What you mean by stay together?
Yes, now so, when you
know the man where they come and go work.
Wait.
They come back, you don't stay together.
You don't stay together.
If economy good, your wife supposed their house, they take care of the children when they come back from school. Not be about servicing matter now.
I don't say all your mind.
Your own.
To me, now our government, not even because of this thing. Because most things what they do, most family, the way they structure and not be so the man originally won't structure them. Even most work where people they do, nobody work where they plan to do now because they no work. Now they enter them.
More even leave government out of them. Let's go straight to the point. You, as a man, as you did now, so basically, you don't talk your own say na housewife now you prefer. Because say you they enjoy the fasting and they did house. Abi? But you know say plenty disadvantage. You know say plenty disadvantage inside this thing. Say you marry woman, you put her for house. Now just your housewife. You know say disadvantage inside.
I better tell us because
so many disadvantages there. If you want to buy something, now you. Anything we want to do, now you. Anywhere we want to go, now you. That are the big disadvantage with the
now waiting we talk about economy because naturally if you get money.
If you get what your wife won't buy,
what your wife won't buy. Even if your wife they work, women they go see the work, they no go see more money.
But you know, say even office wives self get you an advantage.
Everything get advantage and disadvantage. Now, I don't like say we go to try day like say one day. Where you they stand? You wait till you want.
Me, I don't stand anywhere. I just stay in between.
Okay, now
you know
I
know why. Why I say I stay in between are because say both get disadvantages. I no go lie you because office wife, yes,
if I try
plenty disadvantages they inside.
But
I no go lie you.
Ogo.
Even housewife to the same thing.
Ogo. The only advantage you see for office wife that experience. You know, when woman they go out, she they see how other people they run their own thing. So she go office. Now you know say women. Now man tell you now. You know say women they very open. Just the way we they here now we talk with the way they be us. Women they feel go office now say my husband. You know that when he come back from work, the way I used to touch him, that one go learn.
No be
you understand?
I go give you an example of my colleague who have been in the work before. You go supposed to know the person. That girl, na proper virgin.
No, wait,
I want all this story finish.
I got you for here. We need to pay money. I mean, my people make una no vex, make una sit there. Now still bubbles down on top was Zobia TV. No go anywhere. We go soon come back. Yes, if you just join us, so now still bubbles down on top was Zobia TV. And you know, as we they do now I still get my usual criminals in the house. I call them criminals.
I don't they tell you say no they call me criminal. No they call me criminal.
What's show you?
No, Ugo, I want read to you, but before I go read this tweet where people don't send us, I want express that point where I want to tell you of that my friend. And why you good people they go outside, go walk. See that girl a virgin. she knows sabi anything wey concern sex or anything. But as she just go office, now for office, now her colleagues begin teach her. Person wey dey fear before she no go even touch her, she no even know how she want. When they marry, she just go come out clothes after her wedding day, open leg. She don't know what to do. For office, now she learn am. So when you say experience, I know say like Shakara go marry experienced woman.
No, with the experience what I don't get. Even I marry inexperienced now, only 3 days. What for you? I'll be coaching.
Yes, okay. Sharply, we go enter inside social media now. May we hear waiting. We don't follow us talk on top of our Twitter and our Facebook. If you watch us, so where you still want follow us, Chukma for the matter. Our social media portals, then they run through your screen. You go see them. They just they send in the tweets, they send in the Facebooks, them they send in the message. Sharply, make we hear them. Show Bobo. Oh yeah, now which way?
Okay, this one at Val for life. He said, me I no go fit marry housewife. Woku wife. Now him they pay pass. So I don't know when he say now him.
I know. Now still the same thing.
When this person say he say now him they pay pass. This person for me be like person we Igbo man we he won't make his wife they bring money.
No, no call him Igbo man. No make him Igbo. No make him Igbo thing. On here they make Igbo thing here now.
You understand?
I know the angle.
The guy they come from the economical angle.
Yes. I mean, and I agree with me. Say 80% of marriages now they're based on money. True.
What do you mean? American marriages, not Nigerian marriages.
Which country we did?
No, wait. Make it explain. May we explain and make I hear.
See, woman where you like, you get the kind of money where you go get. Where we say you know if you marry that standard. But you get the one where you go get, you go feel married down, we get interview many men, ask them, they tell you their church mind. Say, what will be your respect if they describe the kind of woman they all marry for you. But resources, no, if you carry that.
No be resources they make. May I tell you, majority of men, and I put myself inside, I feel won't call myself like half. We they end up to marry woman we no really love. Like for instance now, I feel like woman where they craze. When he dey inside bed, he go raise leg up.
Oh yeah, retweet.
No, wait, make I finish now.
Because you don't raise leg up.
You don't raise leg up. No, not finish the matter. Read the tweet.
Things don't agree. Read tweets, my friend.
Read tweets.
Okay, this one now from at Betty Man. He say, only the femininity, blow grammar for this one, I think makes the equal, but for goal, haba. I don't know what's in.
Any other one see there?
I'm going to take one more. Fresh boy. He say, office wife, it is for me. If she fit cook, clean, and perform bedroom duties, it dey okay. This guy is stingy. Oliver Twist. Only you want make your wife sabi cook, sabi clean, and perform.
I know stingy like that. I don't want to trade. My own, I know stingy like that. You say me sabi cook, sabi bedroom, sabi clean. My own, if you know sabi clean, but just sabi cook and yeah.
How you want marry woman when you sabi clean? Yes. Now you want marry.
Basically now beg. More leave this matter on top this tweet thing where they tweet. So my country people, on I know saying this world where we do so different things now they happen. Some things don't change. Plenty things don't change. We won't give you now one particular thing where we say we call word don't spoil. Not go anywhere. That's still Bubbles here on top of Wazobia TV.
You don't need to sing. You see that picture we just see now.
I beg. This one don't spoil true.
It never spoil.
It don't spoil. Showman. Actually, how woman go look me finish? Able-bodied man like me, come they propose to me, took me ring for hand. Woman, marry me. Instead of me to marry the woman.
I don't know why you be surprised. Why the woman not go propose? When we say some guys, you go to date girl. 8 years, you go dig the girl, to play 2 walk up. And some guys say no, they give the same ring. Guys where they have some man go give you ring. You go wear ring go roast. You go meet a bookie, they go wash her. Are you the Lord of the Rings?
No, that's how they call spirit of Lazarus. Now bondage. Where they go, person go engage you, your ring go fade. the finger self go see fade, you see the wearer. But me, I don't see anything where they wrong.
Come out, a guy like Showman. Woman go marry this kind of guy.
No be like for me, seven women must fight for me before I go say I want to choose one inside.
You know.
It has scriptural.
Come. See, stop to eat yourself for chest before you wound yourself. I don't understand this one way they do. Guy, man, tell you the truth. Our custom not be like that. In the olden days, na man they marry woman. No, be say woman they marry woman. If you want propose to woman, you go there, arrange yourself. Chukam ring, tell her say, baby, will you marry me? No be now again where babe go come say, Baba, marry me.
You know I don't like this way we go just talk now. Because if I want to go back to olden days, then we supposed to get, everybody supposed to get housewife. Because in those days, you understand, now the man, now go work.
In those days, which I said everybody.
Now man they work now.
Who tell you say now only man they work?
Showman. Office wife don't take. Women when they go farm. When they go farm, go work. No be office with that.
No be that kind work.
Not carry that one enter the matter.
No. Now before now man responsibility to take care of his wife. But now, as economy don't like you talk, everybody come together, you gotta bring 40%, you bring 60%, they enjoy money. Nothing go come dey wrong. If one babe don't look you know fit, maybe you get liver of the lips, or you know fit express how you dey feel. What in dey wrong? Make the girl tell you say, will you marry me?
Okay, for you now, you say it would make girl propose to
you. What in there?
Because me, you know my own point.
Equality.
Showman. Before girl fit get mind propose to you, I go to fear something. Say this girl, you should say, I only love this thing, and you know get what she define.
But you and the girl on the date.
See, this matter, more no longer at all. I no go lie you. What don't spoil, it don't spoil. For me, it better more go back to the same old days. If you be man there, when you don't date girl for 55 years, guy, marry am. Don't let girl put drink for your hand. You self, if you do the long thing. Now you know. Sharply, we go enter break. You know, say we still get some other ones, so we say we supposed to do sharp. We won't go here within our CC them. Got to talk on top this matter. Make one no see go anywhere. Me and my niggas, we see they inside the house. Now still Bobos Yan on top Wazobia TV.
Office wife and housewife. Okay, I prefer office wife.
Any man want marry housewife won't kill himself. If na me, I go for office wife because housewife, they know to they make sense.
Woman wey they try to help the family. I don't see anything bad on it.
Office wife.
It's better you have something doing and your wife will be doing something.
Fact, everybody knows say she can take care of children. But an office wife is a 50-50 something.
But if a man gets where he go take care of the woman feel relaxed on home. Now waiting I see is that.
Now office wife better pass.
Yes, now because your respect go there and you go get money to support the family.
Housewife is not good for a man to marry. It's not good for somebody to marry housewife.
Office wife.
Because I don't want to be a liability to my husband. I need to work to support him.
If you are a man that you want to marry a woman and leave the woman, and only you won't be working, you have like 5 children, you'll be doing all the whole job. That's wrong. It's not good.
It kind of seems boring, really.
Maybe you open shop or salon or anything for her to be doing, that's all. So it's not good. Because I don't want to be a liability to my husband.
To be an office wife is actually the best for me. Let's say I like pass.
Because I got to work now. I got to work. I cannot be staying at home. Why would I be doing my fine girl? I can't wait for my husband's money alone. We have to take care of the children together.
I don't like to sit down for house. They wait for my husband make he come back from work every day. I like to go work.
I prefer office wife because if anything happens to your husband now, the woman go pay help support the family. You get.
Yes, so when I don't see waiting all these babes and they talk.
I mean, I don't say those girls, and then go talk the real thing.
But most of them talk say now they won't be office wife, they won't be office wife, they won't be office wife.
You know why I like that Bole woman? She no lie, and I'm waiting most women, if they check their real heart now, what they want to talk. The woman say, if the man get money, go bad make a
What do
make
you
man
expect from the
relax.
Bollywood woman who she don't experience housewife reach that level? She don't know what she passed through. She dey say Bollywood. Next life,
Women they very fragile.
No,
And
you
for me,
suppose know, you suppose
it's supposed to be take care of, to take care of your woman. I don't mind though to make my wife give am just one business to do. You understand? Make
All
him
right.
stress himself.
Oh yeah, no, I'm leave for them. When I don't hear every will carry call give it out today on top Bobozian for Wazobia TV. Which one you be? Which one you prefer? Housewife, office wife. You get advantage, you get disadvantage. Now your hand the rest Conde. You will you be woman, which one you won't be? You won't be housewife, you won't be office wife? Now your choice. Shakara, give me your final take.
I will take pass housewife again. Because based on the, I will not cheat on my wife.
Give me long story.
I will not cheat on my wife.
They don't tell you finish.
Housewife is my favorite. My housewife is my favorite.
Now, show one. Your final take.
If they ask Showman final take, what are they find a wife? I don't know which one I want to put. I never get.
I remember my country people, and I don't hear the home matters. It be so now. See Bobozian on top Wazobia TV. Join us same time, same station next week as we carry another Ogbonge topic. Can't give you. Make una no go anywhere and see Wazobia TV. Stay glued to this station. As soon as we live on and still Bobos.
Yeah.
Yeah, no. Oh yeah, now. Later.